BELLE TRESS has a very limited color palette when it comes to reds. So we're gonna take a look at a red, the only red in their city collection. And I think the only existing red left in their cafe collection. We're gonna compare Sienna Spice to Sumptuous Strawberry. So I am wearing the BELLE TRESS Sienna in the color Sienna Spice. Remember, you can find these styles at WIG Studio One. If you drop below the video and expand the description box, I'll attach a direct product link there. If you click on the link, you can go out to the site and explore all of the colors and the pricing. These are often on sale at WIG Studio One, so be sure to check it out. All of the links are below. If you have any questions for us, please reach out to support@wigstudio1.com. So let's talk about Sienna Spice. Now I have a full review of Sienna in this color, so you can check that one out if you're more interested in the style, but today I just want to do a color comparison. So this color Sienna Spice, it just puts me in the mind of some of my most favorite Hollywood starlets with red hair. I am thinking of the likes of Jessica Chastain, Nicole Kidman, Julianne Moore, Isla Fisher. Those are some that come to mind with this color. It is a soft, lighter red. It is a warm red, but it is very dynamic and it is not rooted. So the color code on Sienna Spice is a 30 and an orange. Okay, I don't think the orange is really a flattering way to describe this. I would look at it as more of a light copper, which is very warm. So this is a very warm application. It looks like a dark strawberry blonde just highlighted with some light coppers. It is very dynamic and soft. It looks fresh from the salon because there's no root. So it is just like you stepped out of the salon and you are ready for your big night, girl. I love how they take the highlight right up to the lace front on this one. So I have Alexandria here in the Cafe Collection by BELLE TRESS. Both of these are heat friendly, by the way. And it is in the color Sumptuous Strawberry. So the color code on this one is a 6R14488B. Okay, so that doesn't really say a whole lot when you look at the code. But what you're gonna find is that darker root, which is a 6, so a medium to dark brown, and it blends so well. It's also a red tone. And then you have some lighter red pieces here, some auburn, and then some gold blonde as a highlight. All right, so again, a very warm red. Actually, I would say this Sumptuous Strawberry is what this would look like if your roots were grown out. So these would be great sister colors. If you like Sumptuous Strawberry and wish it didn't have a root, Sienna Spice would be great. Or a summer red with Sienna Spice as well. Unfortunately, this particular rooted version is not available on the city collection. But both coppery and warm, delicious red shades. I'll put up a side-by-side next so that we can look at them and get more detail from that view. Everybody have a great day. Thanks for joining me today at TAZSWICCLOSET.